I have chosen BitChute to replace YouTube, and I do recommend it to you. I do not want to explain why, but there are good reasons why I do recommend BitChute and not any other to replace YouTube. To watch videos, I do recommend GreyJ, and to post videos is just BitChute. It's just to post there, not watch it. You can eventually explore videos through BitChute and add it to GreyJ. GreyJ is place where you add videos from all other places, so you watch them in the same place. And for electronic mail replacement, I did choose Purely Mail, which I recommend to everybody. And for Facebook and X, these social networks, I never used them, barely, but if I do, that would be polycentric, which I do recommend. Of all of these things, I do put link in description, but I truly recommend them. I had years of experience with them, except for this new electronic mail, but it is the only genuine electronic mail that you can get, and is very cheap, extremely cheap. It is cheap just enough for them to keep service going, and they have been around for 6 years perhaps or more. So that means there will probably be a lot more longer. With that electronic mail, you can, just like Gmail or .yahoo.com something, you can register on places on the internet, different websites, or even video games, software, programs to use. For example, you can register Facebook with that, or perhaps YouTube. I don't know. YouTube has its own Google Gmail, but I assume you can register with that email almost everywhere, and it is true. Therefore, it is just like regular electronic mail, but does not have this added nonsense redundant like calendar or stuff. It does not have that, so that is why I recommend it.